Welcome to Drill Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Happy New Year! We made it to 2018. Let's make it another year full of creativity. Let's splash around paint and let's draw, sketch, doodle and write. I love lettering in many forms and you might as well love it. But if you think your handwriting sucks, well, here's a workaround for you. First we'll use watercolors, a brush and water. And then we'll be adding letters using a simple letter template. And we'll spice the letters up using a fine liner and a gray brush marker. Wet your paint well and splash it around on your watercolor paper. Pick up another color and add it so the colors blend. Pick up more paint and tap your brush down to create some colorful splattering. The paint has to dry completely before you do anything else. I'll do it again using different colors so I can choose later on. Picking up paint, putting it onto the paper, and then actually I'm not touching it much anymore. You can let the paint do the work of blending and bleeding. I like how the watery bit becomes a very smooth transition from blue to white, even without my intention. Both watercolor backgrounds have dried now, and I am choosing the yellow and red one just because I like the warm brightness of it. Use your letter template to add your message on top. Then add shadows with the gray brush marker, or if you don't have one, you can use a gray color pencil. With this shading, the letters seem to come forward. If you imagine the light coming from the bottom left, then the shadow lines need to be added to the right and top of the letters. Now spice the letters up. You can color the letters with black ink or color pencils, or you can use hatching lines to fill the letters with. But I'm stippling, which means I'm using little dots. The closer the dots are, the denser the shape is filled. A very happy new year to you from all of us at Sketchbook School. We're looking forward to support your creativity this year too. So for more inspiration, head on over to sketchbookschool.com and join us!